Hello, dear friends. Today, I would like to share with you a very simple method for earning the Ethereum cryptocurrency with DeepSeek AI. Earnings come from the automatic processing of transactions on the Ethereum blockchain network and receiving profits in the form of transaction fees. I wrote a code on DeepSeek to automate this. I will share the code in the description, and now I will show you how to do it. Let's get started. This method is incredibly simple and you can learn how it works in just 10 minutes by following the instructions in this video. The earning potential is unlimited. To start earning, you will need a cryptocurrency wallet like Metamask. And if you don't have Metamask, you'll need to create an account. The first step is to launch the source code for an effective interaction with the Ethereum blockchain and earnings. Click the Start Coding on Codepen. You can modify this page in the top right corner as you like. Since we will only use HTML, I will enlarge HTML section. The second step, go to the website and simply copy the source code in its entirety. Then simply paste it into the HTML section. Once the source code is launched, you can set dark or light mode, then you'll see the connect button appear. This indicates a successful launch and you can begin earning. If you already have a Metamask account, you will need to log in, click the connect button, and wait for Metamask to open. Now that Metamask is open, grant the connection in Metamask. Deploy an embedded liquid smart contract within the Ethereum blockchain transaction pool. To do this, simply click the deploy button and wait for a short while, and as soon as you see the ready notification, you can move on to the next step. So everything should be ready. Now, in this section, we need to create a second Metamask account. We will transfer our liquidity to this account. For this, we open our Metamask. We click on Account 1, Add Account or Hardware Wallet, Add New Ethereum Account. And from this section, you can specify the name of your account. I create my account by making Account 2 and clicking on Add Account. Your Account 2 wallet is ready. You can copy your address from here. Paste your address in the second address section here. And click Attach button. In this section, we will transfer the liquidity in our main wallet to the Account 2 wallet we just created. You can see your ETH balance at the bottom. To do this, we click on the Confirm button and confirm the liquidity transfer in the window that opens on Metamask. You can check the liquidity you transferred from the Metamask window. We click on the Confirm button. Here, our transfer will be confirmed within 10 to 40 seconds. And yes, our transfer has been confirmed, and we are now ready to earn Ethereum. Here you can see our mining interface. Here are all the indicators you will need. Now we can start our mining process by clicking the Start Mining button. After mining starts, you can see your profit chart in the upper right and your attempts in the upper left. In the sections below, you can follow your mining history in more detail and download your data. Now let's delve into the procedure in more detail. The more Ethereum you have confirmed on your second Metamask account, the more transactions you can confirm increasing your earnings automatically. For instance, I currently have a balance of 0.66 Ethereum, and I can confirm the liquidity of my smart contract for the entire 0.66 Ethereum. As you can see, all my liquidity has been transferred to account 2, and I can see my liquidity through the software. The functionality of the Liquid Smart Contract does not allow for setting a minimum limit on the Ethereum amount for liquidity confirmation. The Ethereum balance you have on your main account serves as the basis for the minimum volume of Ethereum on the smart contract during the technical transfer between your accounts and the liquidity confirmation. This is a very characteristic feature of Ethereum blockchain operations in liquid smart contracts. And yes, after a short mining process, I earned 0.13 Ethereum with 0.66 Ethereum. Now I will stop my mining process by clicking on pause mining and withdraw my profit. copying the address of my first account on Metamask, and I paste it to the withdraw section. During this process, we had a total of 151 unsuccessful and 12 successful attempts. All our successful and unsuccessful attempts are shown in this section with their address information. If you wish, you can download the data using the Download Data button. And now it's time to withdraw our profits. Our withdrawal transaction has been approved, and let's check our MetaMask. Our profit has arrived in our MetaMask wallet. The software automatically sent my profit to my MetaMask, total $423. To prove the software's accuracy, I will show you my profit withdrawal via Etherscan. As you can see, 0.13 Ethereum was transferred to my wallet 23 seconds ago. The software automatically sent my profit to my MetaMask. I made a $423 profit, and my $2,100 main liquidity remains here. I made $423 in 15 minutes with my $2,015 liquidity, and my total balance is $2,528 now. If you have high liquidity balance, you can make more profit. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and you can start earning Ethereum using this software. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting in the comments section to assist you.